Okay, that was easy. Alright, so we left off at episode 6. I guess I should... Does this game use Live 2D as well? Been seeing Live 2D everywhere. I don't have a favorite girl. Girls are dumb. By the way, can you hear me? Should I make myself louder? Alright, so if I ever sound too low, or if the game sounds too loud or anything like that, please let me know. And I'll thank you a bunch, just like the MC in this game, right now. Alright, so let me make sure... I need to change the title. What should I... Alright, so Tokyo's school life is not on the list. Let's see what else has the word Tokyo in it. Tokyo Bus Guide. Tokyo Highway Battle. Adventures of Disney Tokyo Sea. There, I'll take it. Whoa, our exams are pretty soon according to teacher here. Thanks, sensei. But you should watch the casual language when you speak to a teacher. Oh no, you can't do that. Casual language? What do you mean? When you speak to any authority figure, you should always use keigo, the polite form of Japanese. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I learned Japanese on my own, so it's kinda... I mean, it's difficult for me. Oh, your Japanese is so good that I just started being picky. Sorry, you don't have to worry about it that much. Thanks a bunch. But I just said that. What the... It's just another day after school. I bow to the teacher and stay behind in the science prep room. The science prep room is a small storage room attached to the science classroom used by the science teacher. Wow, they typed science in that sentence 3 times. They keep the lesson materials, tools for experiments, and that kind of stuff in here. Wow, that was suddenly loud. Oh my god, Aoi, you're so loud. Shh, shh. Her familiar face rushes up to me. Yeah, Aoi is like a puppy. I remember the beagle we used to have back home. I put my hand on Aoi's head and rub it around in circles. Oh, Aoi, your hair was twisted in a weird way. It's okay. Why is it? It's okay. I'm pretty sure they had like grammatical something to fix. It wasn't that bad. It didn't stand out, and I already fixed it. No problem. I calm down Aoi as she messes with her hair, and the two of us walk towards the classroom. Oh, well, exams are coming up, and I'm the only one who is on a different education level than everyone else. So they let me see the tests from last year and the year before that as a reference. Are you okay? Do you need to go to the bathroom? Or I guess that's her walking. It's kind of hard to tell because, you know, the background's not moving. She is a good girl, though. Anatomy model? Yeah, there was one in there. So it's named Yoshio-kun, huh? There was an anatomical model that shows muscles, organs, and skeletal structures. It's kinda gross, cause it's so realistic. But Yoshio-kun has a funny kind of face that makes him a little cute. Sure.
それじゃあ今日は夜道に気をつけないとね。
Uh-oh. What's that supposed to mean?
あれ？あんたら今日は部活は？
There's no one but Karin and Sakura in the classroom. School's out, so the other classmates must have all gone to their clubs or gone home. Still, it's rare for no one else to be here.
今日は木曜日だからお休みだよ。かりんちゃんとさくらちゃんこそ何してたの？今日はかりんさんがオフだということなので、かき氷でも食べに行こうかとお話をしていたところなのです。わあ、いいね、かき氷。暑い日に冷たいかき氷って日本の夏だよね。僕も行く行く。君も行くよね。
Yeah, of course. I'd love to. School's out, so the air conditioner is turned off. The rays of the sun shine in from the classroom windows. Cold shaved ice. Sounds perfect. By the way, Aoi, what did you mean by saying to watch out tonight on the way home? Karin and Sakura stared blankly. Well, yeah, I was confused when she said that too.
理科準備室で人体模型のヨシオくんと会ったんだってさ。ああ、なるほど。
Oh no.
学園の七不思議の一つ、シャイな人体模型の
You
ヨ
know,
シオくんですね。
every Japanese high school has 7 mysteries. 7 mysteries?
いわゆる一つの怪談、ゴーストストーリーというものですね。学校にまつわる怪談をまとめて七不思議と呼んでいるのです。
It's gonna suddenly turn into Danganronpa. Wow, is that common here? I don't remember many ghost stories about schools in my country.
ねえ、そういう話ってさ、良くないものを呼び寄せるっていうし、やめた方がいいんじゃない？
Karin, you don't like scary stories, do you?
はあ？そんなわけないでしょ？バカバカしい。幽霊なんているわけないじゃない。
Then what's the problem? So Aoi, how does the story go?
ヨシオくんはすごくシャイな人体模型なんだ。理科室に置いておくと人目を気にしてすぐ倒れちゃう。だから仕方なくいつもは理科準備室に置いてあるの。
That's pretty surreal. Well, I can kinda understand how they came up with it. He's buck naked in front of everyone, I guess.
自分の体の中身まで晒し者なわけですから、想像すると恥ずかしくて死にそうです。
Oh man, if my viewers saw my internal organs, I'd be so embarrassed.
ヨシオくんはすごく寂しがり屋でもあったんだ。だから理科準備室で目が合うとその人のことが大好きになっちゃうんだ。
Oh, now it sounded like a ghost story. So, what's gonna happen to me now that Yoshio-kun has got the hots for me?
あんたなんでちょっと嬉しそうなのよ。
Come on, it's exciting, isn't it?
ヨシオくんは気に入った人の後をつけるんだ。そして夜の街路で一人きり、誰もいなくなった瞬間、背後に視線を感じて振り返ると、
And
電柱が照らし出す明かりの下には、なんということでしょう、誰もいないのです。あなたはなんだ、気のせいかと首をひねるのでした。
huh? It's not Yoshio-kun?
ヨシオくんはシャイですからね。
What nonsense. I don't get it.
何言ってんのよあんた。さっきまでそこにいたはずなのよ、全裸の人体模型が。それがいないのよ、怖いじゃない。
Japanese ghost stories must be a little over my head.
あんた、日本を裏から動かす秘密の存在のことは知ってる？
Is she talking about NHK? Probably.
もちろん忍者よ。 よ。
Oh, it's just the ninja. Give me a break. You've got another thing coming if you think a gaijin will believe anything you say as long as it's about ninja.
あんた、まさか本当に知らないの？
Kaden looks at me with a perplexed expression. What's with that look? Wait, hold on. For real?
忍者の姿は普通の人間には捉えられない。でもちょっとした違和感は残る。それが怪談として言い伝えられるようになったのよ。
No way. So the story of Yoshio-kun.
もちろんよ。理科室には怪しい薬品や道具も多いでしょ。そうした人間を監視している忍者の気配が。
So that's the prototype for the Yoshio-kun story. Amazing. Ninja are real. Confirmed. Thank you, Tokyo School Life. Naruto's real. Kaden, what are you laughing about?
やばい、こいつかわいい。こんなデタラメ信じるとか素直すぎ。
Made up?
忍者は確かに侍の時代に隠密として活躍しましたが、漫画のような超人ではありませんよ。
What a cruel trick. What happened to the peaceful heart of the Japanese?
和の心。
Sakura looks as though she's pondering something.
和の心とは言い換えると周囲に合わせる心ということなのですよね。私そういうの嫌だな。みんな一緒で同じ方を向くのって気持ち悪いじゃん。外国の方の目から見ると日本人というのはみんなが同じ方向を向いている人々に見えるのですか？
How to answer that? It's true some people say that condescendingly, but I don't really see things that way. Oh, oops. Let me move some windows here. I got some windows in the way. There we go. To be honest, at first, when I had to wear a uniform, I was pretty bummed about it.
なんでよ。
I've never been to a school where we had to wear uniforms. So on the first day of school, when I saw my classmates, I was pretty surprised.
ああ、その感じはちょっとわかるな。中学校から制服になったんだけど、小学校の同じ友達が急に大人っぽく見えたな。
My junior high had uniforms, but that's it. My high school didn't, thankfully.
へえ、葵そんなこと考えてたんだ。私はちょうど中学に入る時に上京したから、それどころじゃなかったな。それで最初はということは、今はもう制服にも慣れたということですか？
I don't know if they can wear skirts. Anyways, in my high school, everyone just wore... Oh, you're talking about my junior high. No. They did not. I'm sorry. Yep, I'm used to it. On the other hand, it actually makes things easy. I don't have to worry about fashion stuff like that. When I say that, Kana gives me quite the look. What, did I say something wrong? You're scaring me.
制服だからって手抜きなんかしてないっての。裾の長さとか折り返しとかアクセとかいろいろ工夫してるんだってば。
Oh, so that's how it is.
そうだね。校則があるからあんまり派手にはいじれないけど、みんな割とこまごまといじったりしてるよ。
Oh, I see. I didn't realize.
私は最低限人に不快感を与えない身だしなみができていればそれでいいと思うのですけども。もうさくら、あんた素材は最高なんだからもうちょっと気を使いなってば。おしゃれには手間暇がかかるのです。
I guess that's one thing That's the same in every country, huh?
と言いますと、あなたのお国でも？
Yeah, if you had a bad fashion sense, girls won't pay attention to you. Geeks kind of rebel against that, though. Well, I'm not sure where MC's from. Sakura looks around restlessly. Oh yeah, Sakura's a secret otaku. Sakura, your casual clothes make you look like a princess. I think they're really cute.
何のことですか？私は別に何も気にしてなど。それはともかく、その、ありがとう。
You're welcome. Wow, you're welcome. I suddenly hear a cute cry from somewhere. That didn't sound cute at all. That sounded like a dying cat. Am I wrong? From the half-open classroom door, a black cat peers in at us. It stares at us carefully with small, round eyes.
あれ、ニューコだ。どこから入り込んだんだろう。チー。
What the heck is going on here? Kaiden firmly tries calling the cat by clicking her tongue. It looks a little hesitant and glances around the room, then timidly walks towards us. The cat purrs and rubs on Aoi's legs. She scoops it up right into her arms.
うわー、綺麗な黒い毛並み。ノラじゃないよね。どこの子だろう。あ、オスだ。
Is there a problem, Aoi?
アオイ、抱かせて。私にも抱かせて。抱かせろ。いいけど、かりんちゃん、あんま乱暴にしちゃダメだよ。いつもそれで。大丈夫、分かってるから。全く問題ないし。
She's going crazy. I don't think we should give her that cat. Aoi gently hands the cat to her as Karin trembles with excitement. She starts nuzzling her face against the cat like crazy. Karin's got a crazy look in her eyes. She seems like a different person. And, isn't that cat getting annoyed? Open domain catsoundeffects.com. The cat scratches Karin's hands and he nimbly escapes from her grasp and jumps on a desk, then goes right into Aoi's lap and curls up. Aoi rubs the cat's neck, and he turns and purrs happily.
だから言ったのに。ああ、かりんちゃん、血が出てるよ。絆創膏貼ってあげるから動かないで。
Aoi already has skillfully taken a bandage out of her pouch with one hand. She sticks it right on Kaiden's cut. I nervously reach my hand out and touch the cat's back. Oh, so fluffy and soft and warm. Also, what a loud heartbeat. So small and yet alive. Life is very mysterious. Sakura, you don't want to pet him?
いいえ、私、ちょっと生き物が苦手でして。
Well, that's unfortunate. Some people say black cats symbolize bad luck, but when you see one for real, it's not like that at all. The black cat's ears stand straight up as another meow comes from the classroom door. A white cat peers in. Why are all these cats in school? The black cat jumps down from Aoi's lap and rushes to the door. The white cat meows and the black one responds by licking its back. The two cats seem to be friends and walk off together.
にゃんこ、私ももっと触りたかったよ。
Maybe
次はまた 再び買っておく。
Maybe the cats were actually like attendants, like students in the school.
かりんちゃん、お薬の力に頼るんだね。
Black cat was waiting for the white cat to appear.
白と黒、綺麗な組み合わせでしたね。つがいだったんでしょうか。
They make a lovely couple. Aoi makes a kind of funny face in response.
君ってさ、国には恋人さんがいたりするの？
How am I supposed to answer this? I'm probably going to say no. Nah. Nah, I was just average. I hung out with some girls who were my friends, but unfortunately I wasn't really going out with anyone. Oh man.
あんたみたいなボンクラにそうそう恋人なんてできる
Wow.
わけないわよね。
Thanks, Karen. You're so helpful. Cheer me right up. Well, what about you then? Huh?
私はアイドル活動が忙しいからそんな暇ないし。っていうか、ファンみんなのかりんちゃんだから特別な相手作るわけにはいかないし。
What about you guys? Sakura? Aoi?
僕はそういうのあんま考えたことないかな。恋とかってよくわかんない。まあそれ以前に女の子として見てもらえないっていうか、私はその漫画に出てくるような情熱的な身を焦がすような恋をしてみたいなと。
Well, I guess we're all in the same boat. I choke around and try to lighten the mood a bit. But, Kaden, Aoi, and Sakura, you're all wonderful girls, so I think you could get any boyfriend you wanted to. Ha 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 ha.
そんなことないよ。またあんたは恥ずかしげもなくそういう。ではあなたは恋人にするとしたらかりんさんと葵さんと
Oh no.
どちらが好みのタイプですか？
Sakura, what are you doing? You're setting this up. Don't. Oh no. This is really bad. Uh-oh. Karen's staring at me. I always try not to make eye contact, but peeks over at me. Sakura looks happy. I don't think she meant anything bad by it, but if I don't play this right, things could go south for me real quick. How to answer? Oh man. This is gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge. Hold on. We're gonna see everything, but we're just gonna go for Sakura in the end. Maybe Shoei girl like Kaden? She's like a jack-in-the-box, always full of surprises. It's really fun to hang around with a girl like that.
あんた何言ってんの？そんなお世辞言ったって何も出てこないんだからね。
Maybe a helpful girl like Aoi? Seems like she'd always be looking out for me. That's kind of heartwarming. Nice reply, Aoi. How about you, Sakura? Maybe a quiet girl like Sakura. Someone who's mysterious. Like I can't tell what she's thinking. She's like the ideal stupid Japanese name again. I don't know who this person is.
私ですか？いえ、はい、申し訳ありません。
But like I said before, you're all wonderful girls. You're family, so I can't choose favorites. Man, I'm kinda getting embarrassed. Though it's my own fault for saying it.
そういえばさ、来月には修学旅行あるじゃない？楽しみよね。そうだね。君は修学旅行には行けるの？
At Kayakidai High, the second year students go on a field trip during the summer break. It's like they all go on vacation together as a class. Sounds really fun. I wish we had that in America. Of course, my exchange student schedule overlaps with the field trip. Aw,
あ
man.
なたはどこへ行ってみたいですか？
「 Okay, the options are Osaka, Kyoto, Okinawa, and Hokkaido, right? How is Akihabara not one of them? Do you think this game will have Akihabara? Probably. The historical area of Kyoto, the eternal summer island of Okinawa, the vast north wilderness of Hokkaido. But man, even besides those, there's so many places I want to go while I'm here. Oh, there we go. The Otaku Holy Land, Akihabara. The Yakuza game mecca, Shinjuku. The forefront of Japanese fashion, Harajuku. Is there Shibuya? I guess Shibuya wasn't in there. I wonder if I can go to all of them while I'm here? Really? Really? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We just got so caught up in talking. Oh, they're all ignoring me. Hyuganatsu, Blue Hawaii. What on earth is Sui? Oh well. Everyone picks up their bags and stands. I grab my messenger bag and sling it over my shoulder as we leave the classroom. I glance back at the empty classroom. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this summer to its fullest. So, we're already in summer? Guess so. Wow, that was a really short episode. We didn't even do much. So, I think we're doing summer stuff. Are you ready for the summer CG? Dot o dot. Could you see Wolf as your boyfriend? Oh no. Wow. Apparently Aoi just thinks of me as a little brother. Okay. Whatever. Whatever, Aoi. Wow. Well, I guess we're not gonna go out with any of these girls. The end. We beat the game, guys. It's over. Credits here. Oh, never mind. Huh? Karin? No work today? Since she wasn't here during breakfast time, I assumed she was at work today as usual. Just as Karin requested, Aoi brings a light breakfast on the tray. There's mayonnaise in the tray, as if that's just a normal part of the meal. Despite being half asleep, Cutting adeptly opens the mayonnaise cap and pours plenty of mayo on the rice and vegetables. Can you still call this a light meal? Cutting is spaced out as he chomps the pickled vegetables and serves up the tea rice. She usually seems so sharp. It's rare to see her like this.
そういやあんたこの前どっか東京の名所行ってみたいとか言ってたっけか
Yeah, there's a lot of places I want to go, but especially I want to go to Harajuku, Shinjuku, and Akihabara.
原宿だったら私これから買い物に行くんだったなんだったら
Of course, so there are 3 places for 3 girls, right? I think obviously Sakura is going to take us to Akihabara. Really? Alright, I'll go. I didn't expect Karin to invite me. Today, I'm going to go to Harajuku on a date. A date. Is it really a date? Oh, by the way, in Japanese, they use the word date to describe a girl and boy hanging out, even if it's not romantic. So this is really a date. Whoa! Whoa! Is that real? I didn't know that. So this is Harajuku. Taking the train took about 50 minutes, including transfers. We stand at Harajuku Station. The train wasn't as crowded as the commuter rush to school, but it was pretty crowded. At Harajuku Station, lots of other people around our age got too. Wait, does that make sense? At Harajuku Station, lots of other people around our age got too. I'm sorry, I'm just slipping on. I don't know, whatever. We have the same destination. I feel you guys. I feel you guys.
このカリンちゃんとしたことが寝ぼけてたとはいえなんていうヘマを
I bet she forgot her makeup. What's the matter, Karin? We came all the way to Harajuku to go on a date. So make the most of it and be happy and fun.
あんたのそういうところが不安なのあのね私は仮にも芸能人なのよオフで招待バレたくないん
Oh,
だ
she
って
forgot her
ば
glasses. Oh, so those glasses are a disguise. I thought maybe you had bad eyesight or something. You're so pretty that you still stand out a lot, though. She hits me. Wow. What was that for? I was complimenting you.
ああもういいから行くわよまあ私が言い出しっぺだしねちゃんと案内はしてあげるわ
Karin walks ahead of me with no hesitation in her steps. This is the walk of someone in a place they know well. Hey, wait! I run after Karin. If I take the time to stop and look around, she'll leave me in the dust. Look at all those anime people in the background. This is Takeshita Dori. Harajuku, along with Shibuya, is the fashion mecca for young people in Japan. Japanese fashion has a sense of style that is unthinkable in the West, and has gained attention all over the world. In Western countries, when most girls become teenagers, they start yearning for a cool style, so cute style, fashion like Lolita fashion, is radically different. Everybody's wearing amazing outfits. Really? Because everyone looks pretty normal in the background. The fashion of the people coming down the street is so eccentric. Their outfits are so unique, there's no sense of unity. Pastel colors, flashy prints, my eyes are spazzing out.
原宿系ってのは自分の好みが一番大事なの世間の流行りとか関係なくて自分が好きか嫌いかだから自然と競争するみたいに派手になってくるね
I see. Wow, that girl's wild. It's like a bunch of stuff is hanging from her. I subconsciously take a step back as the next girl passes me. Her t-shirt is a pastel pink with a wild pattern printed on it, and her fluffy skirt flares out. She has a hat and satchel matching her outfit. All kinds of different mixed up things are hanging from her outfit. Stuffed animals, a coat of arms, ribbons, pom-poms, and her hair even has a ton of hair clips in it.
まあそれでも初心者が何も考えないでやると単なる変な格好になるから定番はいくつかあるわけ。例えばあんたが今驚いてたのがデコラ系。
Oh, decoration style, huh?
ふわっとした服装にああやって山盛りアイテム合わせるのね。あの頭のやつはゴミ盛りなんていうの。
I don't think I want my hair colored a garbage heap. Whoa, what the? That person's face is all white. Seems like this guy was waiting for the Dakora Keigo. He really stands out since his face is white, and his hair is dyed blue. He wears a smart thin black shirt and pants that fit his body line.
あれはビジュアル系ね。日本のロックミュージシャンの流れを組んでるの。バンドマンかな。
Visual K sounds really familiar. I can't remember. Man, he's gonna rock out in such a flashy outfit.
多分あれ普段着だろうからあれでもおとなしいんじゃないかな。ステージだともっと派手だと思うわよ。
Really? Wow. I'd like to see that someday.
ファンの大半は女の子だろうからそれでも居心地悪くなかったわね。
When I look close, it's not like every single person here is wearing outfits that stand out. The wild outfits were catching my attention, but there are people wearing the kind of clothes I'm familiar with too. Damaged jeans, rough hardened hair, silver accessory and chains, with wristbands and other accessories. That's probably punk style. An oversized baggy jumbo parka paired with shorts for a sporty look. That's probably hip-hop or street style. Yeah, it's really like you said. It's not just any one style. There's tons of different kinds of styles mixed up here.
それが原宿系の心意気ってものよ。
Oh, Karen seemed kind of happy. It's true. The walk your own path attitude does seem to suit her.
でそのマジックの極めつけがあれかな。
Oh. As I look over where Karen pointed, I'm at a loss for words. A girl dressed entirely in black carries a matching black umbrella. She has a dress like Rococo. Why does Rococo sound so familiar? That sounds so familiar. It's... oh no. Rococo. I feel like that's a joke from some anime and I can't remember. Oh well. Her white puffy skirt is decorated with ribbons and frills. Her hair is dyed blonde and its dainty curls are contained in a headdress. Despite the heat, she's got pristine long sleeves. High-laced boots go up her legs.
あれがゴスロリね。ゴシック&ロリータ。
I know it's an artistic movement, Moss, but the pronunciation of Rococo was made fun of somewhere and I don't remember where. Oh.
可愛いを追求したロリータファッションは日本から出てきたスタイルなんだけど、それにヨーロッパのボスがくっついてあんな風になったわけ。
Yeah. Probably this combination could only come out of Japan, I think.
ああ、それにしてもあの子のコーデいい。フリルの使い方がすっごい可愛い。
Well, she does have quite the presence. When I first saw her, I thought it was a cosplay or something. Oh, well, I don't think she liked that comment. Why?
あんた、それ本人の前で言ったら怒られるわよ。普段着のゴスロリファッションと仮装のコスプレじゃ全然違うんだから。
Daily wear,
何言
yeah.
ってんの？当たり前じゃない。あれで喫茶店にも入るし、 図書館だって行くのよ。
My daily wear is just printing shirts every day. Really? Japan is sure living in the future.
ゴスロリの男子版で王子系ファッションなんてのもあるんだけど、見繕ってあげようか。
Didn't someone in chat ask about a male version of Goth Lolly? Well, there it is. OGK, Prince fashion. Would you like me to pick out something for you? No. No, thank you. Nah. Looks interesting, but that's gotta be too advanced for me. I'd never wear it once again. Or again once I go home anyway.
へっへー、この育児なし。
I don't care. So what style are you?
特に何ってのはないけど、オフ用の私服だからあまり目立ちすぎない程度にガーリーにかっこよくまとめてみましたって感じ。
Can I tell you my honest opinion? There's so many fashionable people here, but you look the best out of any of them. Wow. Wow, that's so cheesy. No.
あんた、いっつもそういうこと普通に言うけどさ。
So?
そういう言葉は口にしすぎると軽くなるのよ。全然言わないのもダメだけど、本当
The
は
only
一番
girl I
大事な
notice
時
here,
に取っとき
Karin.
なさい。
Karin laughs and pokes my head. Usually, if I said something like that, Karin would blush red and get mad though. I guess when she's in Harajuku, Karin can really be herself. But anyway, is that what she thinks of me? I just said I was thinking honestly though. Is that the whole date? Is the date over? Nope. We are still at the same creep shop. The two of us go around to different stores. Crepe, I'm sorry. We go to the general store. Oh, they have so many different little things. These stores are fun just to look around. I always end up hanging around for a long time.
そうね。このワンコのぬいぐるみかわいい。うちのにゃんこと合いそうだな。
Karin, you're so serious about this.
部屋に置ける小物って数が限られてるからさ。何でも買えばいいもんじゃないのが悩みどころよね。
We go to a used clothes store. You go to oh my god, Heckin Sand Shop. Oh no, my dyslexia is showing, I'm sorry.
あ？どういう意味よ。
You work so hard. I figured all your clothes must be new.
そんな選択できるわけないでしょ。私なんてせいぜいアイドルの卵だもん。大した稼ぎないわよ。
I'm sorry, I'm really off point reading today.
それにね、古着って自由に品物の種類を選べないからこそ着る側のセンスが試されるのよ。
I see.
あー、このパーカー、ファーがかわいいな。3000円。よし、買おう。
We go to eat crepes, not creeps, on the street. Cotton, let's eat crepes. When someone says Harajuku, crepes are what come to mind, right?
こら、待ちなさい。ウェイト。クレープならもっと奥におすすめの店があるからそこで。あそこは盛り付けが最高なのよね。超凝ってて可愛いの。食べちゃうのがもったいないくらい。
And the taste?
普通に美味しいけど。
Don't you think taste is the most important thing for food?
何言ってんの。盛り付けも大事でしょ。料理は目でも味わうものだって言うじゃない。
We have fun walking all around Harajuku.
甘い、美味しい。
Cotton is really happy with their strawberry crepe. It seems her favorite part is that the dough has heart pattern decorations on it. By the way, I got a chocolate crepe. I was embarrassed, so I toned it down with plain dough. It actually tastes good. But man, I guess it's true, Japanese girls calling everything in the world cute. Today, no matter what we're looking at, you're always just saying everything is cute.
Huh?
Uh-oh. Kaden stops in her tracks, stands in front of me and glares. Huh? What? You're scaring me.
あのね、そういう他に言うこと思いつかなくて、何でも可愛い可愛い言ってるのと一緒にしないでくれる？私の可愛いは遊びじゃないのよ。自分でそう思うから可愛いっていうのを自分だけのセンスで判断してんのよ。
I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking, I said too much. Man, I really did it this time. I don't really get why, but Kaden's super pissed off. Well, I guess that means Kaden isn't just spouting out cute, or anything. She sees that, huh? In other words... Huh? Kaden seems interested in something. That store's sign looks like... a cafe. It looks like it says Wolf Cafe. Or actually, it's Honey Sugar Cinnamon Cake. Sweet Lolita Cafe Boutique Honey Sugar Cinnamon Cake. What's with this super sweet sounding name? And it says cafe and boutique. Well, which one is it? Hey, Kaden, this store?
アマロリカフェブティック？こんなお店があったなんて。
Is this Maid Cafe? It's probably no, maybe not.
ゴスロリと区別して正統派ロリータファッションを言うようになったのがアマロリ。正真正銘の可愛いファッションよ。この店はアマロリブティックにカフェもくっつけてお茶を飲みながらゆっくり服を選べるようになってるみたいね。なんて素敵。
She is moving so much right now. Kaden's eyes are positively sparkling. So, want to check it out?
でもこういうの私のスタイルだとちょっと雰囲気合わないかな。
Nonsense. What? But Kaden, you love this cute stuff, don't you?
あんたどうしてそのことを。
What? That was supposed to be a secret? Come on, just thinking about it. Kaden's eyes have always gotten sparkly when seeing something cute. So it's just normal to assume she liked that kind of stuff. If you like it, then what's the problem?
だってさ、
What is the problem?
私みたいに背があるのが可愛いのが趣味って似合わないじゃん。
Oh, so that's the issue. I guess Kaden is tall with a slim build and a good figure. He looks more like the cool type than the cute type. Uh-oh. Let's see, if you like it, that's all that matters. I think cute stuff suits you more.